The Swiss Federal Institute of Technology at Lausanne has presented us an amazing robot called the robot Salamander. This robot mimics a real salamander and moves in water at a great speed of about 0.3 to 0.5 meters per second. The Salamander robot not only can swim in water, but also can crawl on land with the help of its legs at a maximum speed of about 0.42 meters per second. It is inspired by the general anatomy and nervous system of a real salamander. Thanks to EPFL, we now have this astonishing masterpiece within our reach. So in today's video, we are going to discuss this terrifying robot salamander that will blow your mind. The first ever robot salamander was made by the EPFL team known as the Salamandra Robotica I, with some modules from another robot called AmphiBot. This robot intrigued everyone, including the researchers and scientists, as it was able to swim and walk easily on land and water surfaces. After this robot gained huge amounts of fame and population, the EPFL team decided to upgrade it and make it work more efficiently and flawlessly. They did several experiments to modify this robot, and finally, in the year 2013, they came up with an advanced and modified version of it known as the Salamandra Robotica I. This robot had a lot of new features. It was designed in such a way that it could walk and swim much faster than the previous one. Since the robot was built to mimic a particular salamander species called Pleurodeles Waltl, it was given the name Pleurobot. The Pleurobot has been specifically designed in such a way that it works as a scientific tool for neuroscience. It looks exactly like a salamander and even moves like it. The robot has a spinal cord that is supposed to control its entire body movement. The movement of the robot is fully inspired by that of the real animal. The movements in an animal are very complex and need to be observed and studied very closely to recreate. Scientists use mathematical models and charts for a better understanding of these movements. This entire work is done in a field of biology known as biorobotics. This field is mainly used by scientists and researchers to take inspiration from real animals to build robots. The scientists very keenly observed a salamander and its movement. They collected the motion of it in water as well as on land in 3D prints. After having all the data on hand, all they had to do was to replicate the exact motion. However, it isn't as simple as it seems and requires a lot of effort and research. Finally, after understanding all the moving habits of the animal in water as well as on land, the scientists became successful in making this genius bot, which not only can swim just like a salamander, but can also walk and climb like one. The spinal cord also plays a significant role in the success of the scientists, as without it they wouldn't have been able to make the robot move. The spinal cord of the animal had primitive circuits. During the evolution of this structure of the spinal cord, new neural oscillators were added to control the limbs and to provide help with leg movements. The robot has two gaits in its movements, a walking gait and a swimming gait. These gaits are also controlled by the spinal cord. The person only needs to send two signals to the robot, which are generally sent from the upper part of the brain. If we adjust these signals, we can fully control the speed, heading, and type of gait of the robot. If we stimulate at a low level, then we'll have a walking gait, and if stimulation is done at a high level, then we will have a swimming gait. Because of the advanced technology and ideas used in its making, the Pleurodont has various applications in different fields apart from neurology. For example, it is greatly used in the field of robotics for search and rescue purposes. The Pleurodont also has a lot of uses in the field of paleontology. All these applications sum up the fact that these salamander robots are an amazing invention, and they can prove to be a great source of further progress in technology and sciences shortly. Well, that's it from us today. What do you think of this new, terrific robot? Does this genius invention blow your mind? Let us know your thoughts regarding this in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more future content related to robots and AI. See you guys in the next one.